Hi, good evening all. This is Pitambaran Achyutan Pishardi from PDM Advisors Private Limited. I welcome you all to this session. Today we will be analyzing the Nifty, Bank Nifty, USD INR and the dollar index. We are adding dollar index also for the analysis using super trend to find the next immediate support and resistance. So if you see the October expiry, you can see that the market has moved up by 38 paisa today and closed higher. So here there was some consolidation yesterday, but then today the market moved up by 38 points. Now here if you look, have a very clear idea that the close was at 82.2275 and the immediate support is at 81.4525. That means the immediate support is 60-65 paise away from the current market price. So at every fall, you should try to accumulate some futures so that you can get good profit when the market bounces back. Now, if you come and look at the dollar index, now you can see today the dollar index is coming down and it has a support at 111.81. And the next support is at 107, then 104, 101, 99 and 97. So here the dollar index was moving higher and higher. That is the reason why your USD INR was also getting, it was increasing and it was getting stronger. Now tomorrow there would be some relaxation seeing this red candle, but we have to see where the market closes on that particular today and when the US market closes. Now let us see the Nifty and Bank Nifty support and resistance. Now here Nifty has breached the second support also. Now there is only one support line, that is at 16,549. Now there are 5 resistances and one support. Now the resistances are at 18,682, 18,648, 18,177, 18,035 and 17,297. The only support being at 16,549, which is approximately 300 points down. If this level is breached, then you can find more pain in the market. So most probably the market has supposed to take a support at this level, that is 16,549. If due to some instances, if the market does not take a support here, then you can see a higher lower low in the coming days. So we have to see whether the support is being taken at this level or not. Similarly, in case of Bank Nifty, now Bank Nifty has a 2 resistances, and actually this is also a resistance because it has closed below that level. But here in this chart, this levels will be changed only tomorrow. So that is the reason why it is showing here. It is closed below this level. So actually this also should be a resistance. Now you have 3 supports. The first support is at 36,790, 35,645 and 34,500. And the resistance are at 39,262 and 41,791. The resistance level of this particular line will be known only tomorrow, so we cannot predict whether it will be between this or above this. So now if you see 37,759 is the current LTP, and if it has to fall to 36,790, that means 36,790 means it has to fall by 1000 points. But you have seen that Nifty, Bank Nifty falling 1000 points on any given intraday. So we cannot be sure whether it will take a support here or it will fall below this level. So we will have to look at tomorrow's opening to understand what is going to happen in the market. Now, if you look at the grid lines, the market opened between this blue, near this blue line, but it missed this blue line by very small point, that is the low was 1682,540 and our trade was at 16,825. That means we missed this candle. The candle missed this line by 40 paisa, and that is the reason why we did not get this target. If the trade was executed, we would have got a target, but we missed the target because it did not breach this level. So our first trade would have been at this level, 16,925 sell, a stop loss being just hit at this level, then again a stop loss, third stop loss, and fourth stop loss. So you had four stop losses today in between 16,975 and 16,925, and the last trade gave us approximately, you can say, it closed at 16,870 points. So you got approximately some few points from this level to this level. Now, if you take the case of Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty was, let's just change this same here only, Bank Nifty. Now, if you take Bank Nifty, we'll have to change the level of Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty level is 38,575. In Bank Nifty, the market touched this line and we got it buy trade here. Immediately we got a target, but then you can see that there were multiple stop losses here. Then the market came down, but it could not reach our target. Again, it went and hit a stop loss. Again, there was a narrow range. So in between this range, there were 13 stop losses. And then the last trade gave us a profit target. So we had two targets and 13 stop losses. If you convert this into a 1 minute chart, you can see the stop losses very clearly. In a 5 minute chart, we cannot see that much stop losses, but in a 1 minute chart, you can see very clearly the stop losses that has been hit. So you can see here that the target was hit here, then we would have bought here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then here 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So you got 13 stop losses in this particular section, and then you got a target. So these are the things that we face, that there in some instances when the market is in a narrow range, you will get multiple stop losses as your stop loss is very small, that is 50 points. Now here, if you have compiled all this data on an Excel, you can see the trade details of 28 September 2022. There were 4 stop losses in Nifty and we got 54 points in the last trade. So the net result was minus 145 points or 7,252 rupees loss. And in case of Bank Nifty, you had a target in the first case and a last case, and there were 13 stop losses. So the total number of trades were 15 and the net profit was 150 or 3,750 rupees profit in rupee term. But if you combine both this, you ended up in a loss of 3,502. This is the first day I feel that we have ended the market day with a loss of 3,500 rupees. So you can say that there are some instances when you will make this type of trades on a very narrow range, you will have to take these losses. So we have to be very clear that we will be getting profits as well as losses when the market is in a very narrow range. I hope you have liked watching this video, and if you feel that the content is useful, then kindly share it with your friends and relatives so they can also benefit from this. Secondly, I would like to say that I'm not a registered SEBI registered analyst. I'm only sharing my knowledge and views with you. So kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. Hope you liked watching this video. Thank you.